7 days to start your day calm and focused. Day 1. Start your day with a clear mind. Welcome to this peaceful morning meditation for clarity and focus. Find a comfortable seated position and allow your body to relax. Gently close your eyes and bring awareness to your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, letting go of tension. Feel your shoulders soften and your face relax. Allow your breathing to become calm and steady. With every inhale, invite fresh energy into your body. With every exhale, release any heaviness from yesterday. Imagine your mind becoming clear like a calm morning sky. Thoughts may come and go, and that is perfectly okay. Simply return your focus gently back to your breathing. Feel yourself becoming more grounded with each breath. This moment is your opportunity to begin fresh. Allow yourself to let go of distractions and worries. Breathe in clarity and breathe out mental clutter. Notice the quiet space beginning to form within your mind. You do not need to rush into the day ahead. You can move through your morning with calm awareness. Take another slow, deep breath in through your nose. Exhale and allow your thoughts to settle even more. Imagine a soft light filling your mind with focus and peace. This light helps you feel centered and emotionally balanced. You are creating a calm foundation for your entire day. Allow confidence and clarity to rise within you. Trust yourself to handle the day one step at a time. Feel your breathing guiding you deeper into stillness. Each inhale refreshes your body and mind. Each exhale releases stress and unnecessary pressure. Take a moment to appreciate this peaceful start to your day. You are choosing calm over chaos. You are choosing presence over distraction. Allow your mind to become even more spacious and clear. Feel gratitude for this new day and this new beginning. Breathe in motivation and breathe out doubt. You are capable, focused, and calm. Let this feeling of inner peace expand through your body. Notice how your mind feels lighter and more organized. Take another deep breath in, filling yourself with energy. Exhale slowly and carry this calmness into your morning. Begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Slowly wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath and feeling refreshed and awake. Exhale fully and prepare to step into your day with clarity. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and smile softly. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.